Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I am going to teach you how to get WhatsApp on your Windows PC without using any third-party software, and this approach is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for anything before using or downloading the WhatsApp. Okay, so on my taskbar, I will go to the search bar right there and look for Microsoft Store. After opening the Microsoft Store, you can see we have a search bar at the very top, middle top. Beside it, you can see some icon there. You can see when you put it, mine is saying my profile, but then if you are not signed in, you will see sign in there. So you click on it and click on sign in and then log in your Outlook account. Please, if you don't have an Outlook account, it is very easy for you to get one. You just open the official website for Microsoft, then you create one for free. Okay, so fast forward. Now I have my Outlook account signed in. So now I'll come to the search bar and look for WhatsApp. So now I will wait patiently to get some results from my search. Okay, so this is what I will get. Now in your case, you see that they have written get here, but then you are saying install because I have already installed the WhatsApp. So please, in your case, just click on get. After clicking on get, follow the procedures to get it downloaded and installed for you. After installing it, kindly close this guy and come to the search bar again and type WhatsApp. Now you can see that WhatsApp is right there for you. Now double click it and then follow the procedures to get your account logged in. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, kindly put it at the comment section for me. Peace.